Fraserway RV, your vehicle to adventure, presents our RV rental video series. In this segment, we will take a look at the comfortable and cozy van conversion. This RV sleeps 2 adults and is the most flexible and fuel-efficient RV available to choose from. This van conversion is equipped with a backup camera. Also features a tow and haul mode to safely drive the vehicle up and down hills with ease. Stock your fresh groceries in your refrigerator. Fully equipped with a built-in freezer compartment. Heat up snacks in no time with the built-in microwave convection oven. And with a propane stove, the possibilities are endless with what you can create in this kitchen. This van conversion comes with a roof air conditioner to keep cool in the summer. It also features a powerful but quiet ceiling fan to help circulate the air. Or let the fresh air breeze through insect-free with the built-in screen attached to the van. Feel free to experience Canada's natural wonders through our large panoramic windows. Keep your passengers entertained with the Bluetooth-enabled stereo and have your mobile electronics staying charged with the USB and 12-volt charging ports, both available in this RV. This van conversion is equipped with solar panels and a generator to keep your RV and appliances powered off-grid. Fit all of your camping needs in the storage compartments available inside the RV. Rinse off after some outdoor fun with the exterior shower before you enter the motorhome. With the press of a button, the awning provides an extended covered outdoor living space. When it gets darker, turn on the LED lighting to continue the fun. Take a hot shower in this ventilated bathroom and turn on the propane furnace to stay warm and cozy. When you're ready for bed, this RV can be converted into one bed that can be automatically lowered in the rear. With these features, you can see why this flexible and fuel-efficient van conversion is the vehicle for your Canadian adventure. Every Fraserway RV rental can come with an optional convenience kit for a hassle-free adventure. Learn more about our RV rental fleet through this video series or browse our website at fraserwayrvrentals.com to find the perfect vehicle for your RV holiday. And remember to choose Fraserway RV Rentals for a worry-free RV adventure.